Keblai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat makongsan mentaga sengi Shillong. Enlet jingo ubak preston ya Shillong ha apa Shillong. Rai ke UDP ban penbena ya ukartong MP by election. Amdon jingte igi patba ban ringkang sem ong ubak metba. Bat sakhi ke Shillong diwan ya ke jingya kop karate. Bat mentangin pasya ki Khubor bakambanya. Usembut Menteri Rangba bak Preston Tensong ula kular hakmat kesenjuk nong sensyar nong apa Shillong baun sawan pet hi dalade ya kethan apa Shillong kumbala pensngau de kinong yalam ha kesengi thoding. Habakren bakilat pathai Khubor uba arjun dekar nong yalam kesenjuk ulai thu bakidon bun bahakimat bagi pensngau hakmat usembut Menteri Rangba kentup naduk ketenat boarding kam jungok kai perthai college umbam umdi bat kiwei ki jingdon kam kani kathan ulai thu ba usembut Menteri Rangba ula kular ba un sabo ikapor ban wan jurip lang halor ke jingdawa ya ke police station ke beladon nadu menchwa
Nyekren bun ki APA hakaba nakaliang ke jong Deputy Chief Minister ila ongba maybe by next week in sabu ya ka inspection ke ba inwan pek ya ki jaka ke jong istai marbun baki APA di bani hab ikran kumba PE ya kelanti yang ke NHDCL PE ya ke tourism sector PE ya college PE ya kini ki jaka ke badan setai ki umbam ki umdi ngi apnya keren luar khat nak bentak roi kapar jong kinong jong kathan apa Shillong di ila de bang ba in sabu ya kaneka personally in sawan inspection ya kaneka police station officer tu amagi por nadu ko mensuahi gila juresi kaneka issue halor bang yo ya kaneka police station hapo kaneka itu jakai ben hapo ko all Sherpi bridge ma nang tak fire service di office nang tak veterinary hospitals kajing keren kalau basu tunat ha handrai kampat don gonu ka ba kumta suku em nomor kini kita ngelong initial ke beginang yo banyak keren di inuan mi next week bat ngin sayo banya syai ki kijing penduk
ini kan jiwa persepsi kita semua kita jengkam ini dan bertai ko sendu ahli maksudkan kalau orang ikam development nanti kusuk ki bahaya men compare bahawa cak ke bahang tang ni kalau kijing jabo apa kijing dan di dukan tu di hati rusuk KP yo kan mengenai bahaya duty chief minister
halor ke jong itu ke being nakaliang ke jongi isu ong ni ka wisdom ke jong ke government kan le puno government mar kidon ki norms kidon ki an kidon ki ke bade joka national highway tingi ka jing start ke jong ki
Agak beri betul terpompa fikiran ya.
Initially isu yo aban syakaran ngumto namar ke since kene kalau ka court matters ka baka high court ka ai ka decisions ke jongka ka adon ka tripartite agreement ru nai de kapat don benu ko belong final ada gi kwa hiba nginum atrak ko benu ko belong contempt of court makum girang ba fisu tu em haban perkhat itagi belong mar kene isu belong very sensitive ba tingi haban ya ke proses ada ke proses de nyimpala ban ya decide hadu mentakan mengumno beno kanya
fikiran tengah kata kam juga fikiran mereka sungai kadang katahan kita
Presiden ke United Democratic Party Bakmet Baklingdo ulapan bena bahakini kisngi banwan ensayat hu pat bakno ya ke kertong ban aireng ha ke election MP Shiteng Samoy hadin ke jingklat no Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ha urampang haba penbena ya kini ubak met baklingdo ulai thu bekidon katu kat ningut ki kertong bat menta ke basa kalong setang ban penbena perthai ya ke kerteng lai teli ki seng san hima ki bekentup ya ki NPP VPP bat kongres ki lepen bena pat ba ya ki kerteng jong ki kertong jong ki hakini ki sngi balala
selection of a candidate for this MP by election for the Shillong seat but that part is still under process and we are yet to come to a conclusion perhaps maybe in just about another day or two. Matter of application in fact we have 2-3 friends who are interested to field this election from our side. So as I said we are yet to take a decision so accordingly maybe in a day or two. So I don't think we will go by that. In fact, first of all, I think we have to look at the person, whether somebody is just interested to bring him as a candidate, or he himself also wishes to be a candidate, fighting the election. And we would like to see also what is the agenda that he has with him or her, whoever the candidates are. And we have to see that he really means to give that kind of service, to the people if being elected. There are many names there, but we are, as I said the other day, that I will definitely update you at the appropriate time. And since most of them, they would like to see that the decision is being made at the party level first, and then after that we will definitely inform.
Hadin berkejingmi no daki hajar ngut kinong kershan ke UDP na mau kerwat banlit penyesok syaka NPP na keliang presiden ke UDP ba met ba uloong bekipak ba kilong ki balak lut bat kilak banlit penyesok bat kenu-kenu ke parti bekimon. Omdan bala bante eki uloong tang bau ong pat kumbalong haduk menta UMLA ke parti na mau kerwat konstituensi ba Renekten El Tongkar udang donbej ha ke parti.
But elected members, they are not free to do that. They have been binded by the law, and they have to act and behave as per the law.
Will you be issuing
So as of now, there's nothing as such that Baranik is, leaving the party. So you see, first of all, when it comes to how the party functions, we in UDP strongly believe that the people who are at the grassroots level are the most important people which you have to take into consideration before making any move or decision. So in this aspect also, I would like to say that we have already shared this, which the local party leaders at Makarwat also is aware of, to look into the matter and examine and come back to us in case of any support or any kind of help they needed as far as party organization in Makarwat. I keep on meeting him almost every now and then. I keep on meeting whenever.
So he made clear any
Yeah, he made clear.
that he will be leaving.
Yeah, yes.
He made clear.
There's nothing as such that he's moving out from the party as of now. See, I will not say that other parties are poaching. That should not be encouraged at all, no doubt about it. But I believe it is up to the individual, the member of the house, who has to decide.
Hak arpuar bat arpulai terik jong benai Jymmang lepelong ye ke 6 Meghalaya Open Invitation Full Contact Karate Championship arajar arpun rew. Ye kini kelempung ile kai lepeniat de kinong ilam jong ke Meghalaya Kyokushin Karate Association ringkat ke North East India Full Contact Karate Organisation bat ka Aiko Kyokushin Worldway India. Ye kini kelempung ile kai lepelong Haduya Hall D1 District Riboy.
After this fight, the 16 years junior boys are requested to get ready. The name are Jarius Kado, Timo, Adriano Kuli, Prashant Bey, and Adriano Kuli.
Third position goes to Gracie Fulki. And joint third goes to Darcely Longpin.
Trinity Center Shillong, Kalapalong ya ka awareness program, Shapang ki Jymmang cancer, robotic surgery, but liver transplant, lingba ka press conference ha ka arpulai terik u Jymmang. Yakini ka awareness program lelam Dr. Rajiv Sharan, senior consultant in onco surgery jong ka Apollo Multi Speciality Hospital Kolkata, but ubalapin tebet ban sumari ka kli but rendang. Ringkat u Dr. Ramdeep Ray, head of liver transplant department but senior consultant gastrointestinal surgery jong ka Apollo Multi Speciality Hospital Kolkata. Lingba ka press conference kini ki doktor ki labatay da ka boong, bunsin ki beriu ki kensting ya kini ka Jymmang, but ki donru ki beduk jing kermen, namar beduna ki kor ki bor ban ai jing sumar ya ki. Dr. Rajiv Sharan ula pensyai bikini ki Jymmang ki dei ki bala ban sumar, bat penkot ladawan pen i ha ki doktor ha ka bor ka babiang. Ula penslur bat kenturu ba omdei banting, bat ikini ke Jymmang namar balala ban penkot yaka klem de pensa dak habaput da ke bependon kam da ka robotic surgery. Ula ongru ha Meghalaya ki bayo ikini ke Jymmang bon kedai ki babam ne di duma leni kwai supari. Dr. Ramdeep Ray ulong habadon kenu ke jingthot ha kamet de ban wan mi shiki doktor ban tip shai ya kadaw knang ban light ni ke jing shitam bakham juat. Udeba Priya Deb CEO ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center, ulaong bakajingdon ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center ha Shillong kan mentoy shibun bha ye ki pat ba banyo ikila jing sumar yakum kini ki Jymmang. Ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Shillong kan wanra iki specialist Dr. Nabar Jylla ban pensuk ye ki pat ba banyo jing sumar ki bapaka klem da don kam ban net shabar Jylla.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ramdeep Ray. I head the liver transplant program. I was earlier at Apollo Delhi, Gurgaon, and then I started in the last 4-5 years at Kolkata because I wanted to come back to my hometown and start a liver transplant program. And Kolkata is now the only place in the entire East and Northeast India where liver transplant happens regularly. जहाँ हर समय liver transplant हो रहा है ऐसा एक शहर. Whereas पूरे इंडिया में बहुत सारे liver transplants होते हैं. Now, the most significant medical development that has happened in Shillong in the last few years, the biggest medical development is the opening of the airport. So now the distance from patient who is unwell to Kolkata is less than 2 hours. So this changes everything for Shillong. If the patient has a major, for example, a patient has a liver failure. Sometimes the patient needs a liver transplant in emergency. Now, earlier the patient would take almost 10 hours, even if from here to Guwahati and then by flight. But now that has become, you are within 2 hours of the most modern medical care that is available anywhere in the world. There is no treatment in our hospital. There is no treatment that is not there. Any treatment that is there anywhere in the world is there, and it is done by open surgery, by laparoscopic surgery, by robotic surgery. All options are there. But still, the problem is now awareness. Awareness that this advanced medical care is there, it is affordable, because sometimes the patients can afford, sometimes they have insurance, sometimes there's government funding, and then after that there are patients which there is NGO funding, where it is possible.
Kasanjuk All Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association haka arpulai terik Jymmang kalapin Khuborjylla ya Menteri Rangba Konrad Kisangma halor ke jing penok bahak jong u ya ka roy kapa kamtam ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi bat ka jing nang jing tip ha ka Jylla berok kawai. Ya kini ke jing yalang pen Khuborjylla lepelong Hamadan School Matcha Kol Grey LP School Tura ha ka balashimenta de kinong hikai ki officer na Education Department ki pat ba na kaleng kisnong karilum Garo. Ha ka jing kren pediang ya kini ke jing pen Khuborjylla u Konrad u loong. Bunsin ngiklet no iki seep jeng kinong hikai bat kinong trei ha of his Education Department ki baju trei minot top ya lagi kam ki jam. Uloong gani ke sorkar ke bau yalam, kala IT la ke buat Khubor ban kentiu ya ke puli puthi bat ke Jymmang jingtip, klem da kelet iki mati jong ki nohikai ki bedon syelendet ban penterekam ya kani ke jingtmu jong ke sorkar. Ulapen kenmau iki mati jong pernu sang ma, ukpa jong da ke baong, ipa jonga ila imsngi ban kentiu ya ke puli puthi kum unong ya lampai ba, ila hikai tuition iki kena ahba idang puli ha college pat university. Bat kani ke jing ke Jymmang jing tip kala seiso habai la long menteri ha ke sorkar India u speaker ke Lok Sabha bat habai la long menteri rangba ke Jylla. Shwaban penkut ya ke jingkren u konrat mula ai ke jing khublai kerpang ya baro ke beladon keti ban pen priang ya ke Jymmang ke jing tip kamtam ya ki nong trei jong ke education department.
That maybe this is the first time in the history of the state that the authorities who are supposed to give certificates received certificate today. Kalau ya programo actually embossed the executive chairman, actually commissioner secretary education, director education, Jylla dalam education department to kam ka mandiran na certificate rangko distribute pa utnega chini dalam ya programo ulta bisongsa certificate ko matska. Unigaman namin historic day ini akan berjalan ulta. Alo namin semua sakanci ko ang telas ka. Kalau ji kam na ko official lang niktak kita wal sal kam ka ingat sih. Pabata subayo mandirang appreciate Pak Rongza. Hindi ba daalo SSA teacher na? Actually officer ali alo department ni kamko nike. Lalu yan ang big pa felicitation program ko iso na organize ka. Kung naman sang satay, lahat department yung official lang ipalo ang anesimang sa kanti ko isa ka ito naman siya na pagkena isyo ha.
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngila poi syakabakut tak haduk pengindasyam biang kublai shibon.